In this video, I will show you how to recreate this falling text effect plus a camera shake. To begin, drag a Fusion clip to your timeline and then head on to the Fusion page. On the Fusion page, add a text node and then connect it to your media out. Now type the text you want and then choose the appropriate font style and size for your text. Right-click on the text box and select Follower. Then click on Modifiers, then Shading. Find the opacity area and click on this diamond icon to create a keyframe. Then, at the bottom, in the position controls, create a keyframe on the X and Y offset. You will see that the control panel has changed. Double-click on Follower and then adjust the Y position to 5.0. Then, adjust the opacity to 0. Now move the playhead to the part where you want the animation to begin. In this case, I want it to start at frame 10. Then go back to the inspector panel and set the opacity back to 100. Next, set the Y value back to 0. Now click on timing and then select left to right. Finally, adjust the delay to 2.0. Let us see how it looks like. Now let us choose right to left. This is inside out. This is outside in. Now this is random, but one by one. Then we have completely random. For this project, I will stick with random, but one by one. Now click on the spline button, then activate the whole timeline. Click on this button to expand all the splines, then press Ctrl A, right-click anywhere on the grid, then choose Ease, Out Cubic. This will smoothen the effect of the text transition. Let's see how it looks. That is better. Now let's close the spline and then head back to the edit page. Let's add a background, then test it out. That looks good. Now let's add a sound and test it out again. Finally, search for camera shake in OpenFX and then drag that to the Fusion clip. Do not forget to subscribe so we can grow as a community. Thank you for watching and see you next week.